मैंने जब डाइट फॉलो किया फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन इट बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफस्टाइल, आई थिंक दैट फेज इज नीडेड. एक बार जब आप थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिक्ट होते हो अपने साथ, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे फिर वो आपकी हैबिट्स में आना शुरू होता है. इज दैट राइट?
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली. एंड आपको कई बार ना एक्सटर्नल, like you need an external check as well. That external check can come in the form of your partner, in the form of your family member, in the form of your gym instructor, your dietitian, anything. But if you feel that you need that external push, please opt for one. It is okay. You know, कई बार हम कहते हैं ना, asking for help, that's you asking for help, and it's good. Asking for help is a sign of strength, because आप कह रहे हो कि यार my health is my priority and I'm not ready to give up on this. So I will figure ways to make it work.
Right.
And if I need an external help, I'll opt for it because I want to make it work.
So while you were on this diet, while you were trying to make all these changes, because it's not easy. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, अभी आप बता रहे हो because you have done that.
Yeah.
But I am sure जब आप वो changes ला रहे थे, not eating your favorite foods, trying to stay away from sugar, it's not easy.
Yes.
So उस time पे did you get all the support that you needed? और क्या कैसे किया? Because बातें करना बहुत आसान है, but let's be very honest and practical. When you are into that zone, it's not that easy, right?
See, when I entered that zone, I started looking for things that will motivate me to choose it, to choose eating right, working out. So for example, मेरा तो just pregnancy के बाद हुआ था. Your size changes, right? A lot of stuff that you love, you look forward to wearing, you can't wear anymore, right? Your feet are swollen, you're not able to get into the heels that you love a lot. मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा motivation was that I have to get back in shape, because I'm not giving up on the person that
I can't do what I really want to do.
And मेरे को बहुत discomfort होता था जब मैं अपने आप को शीशे में देखती थी, because that's not the usual self that I always saw, right? So that was one. I think second, you're very right. When people around you start supporting you, it becomes easier, and then you share that passion, right? So जब डॉक्टर ने मुझे मटन डाइट पे डाला था, तो वरुण भी मटन डाइट पे गए थे. तो when I increased weight, I increased because I had a baby, but his weight also went up. So जब हमने dietitian join किया, हमने correct करना था, but then he would see and he would know कि मेरा भी weight ऊपर. He would see, what are you doing? Okay, I will also do this. I will also do this. Then that gamification, and they're like, you're like, no, you are not doing this. You eat this, and I mean, it's just like that. It becomes a happy, exciting feeling when somebody supports you, when somebody says. On the other hand, if at the same time there's somebody in your house saying, पता नहीं क्या करती रहती है, इतना डिफिकल्ट बना दिया, इसके लिए अलग से खाना बनता है, that demotivates you.
Right? And you can't even do it for a very long time when you don't have that support.
And hence you need to figure a way out in between, that either you take people around you on health journeys, saying let's try this, make them a part of your plan, right? Or if you're not able to do that, then you very silently, consciously keep a check. जो भी घर में बन रहा है, जो दूसरों के लिए बन रहा है, उसमें ही आप हेल्दी ऑप्शंस कैसे ले सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दाल, सब्जी, रोटी, चावल सब खा रहे हैं, ठीक है, आप नहीं बना पा रहे हो अपने लिए कुछ और, दैट्स ओके. रोटी हटा दो, चावल की क्वांटिटी कम कर दो, सिर्फ दाल सब्जी खा लो. देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. इवन बिटवीन दैट आई थिंक यू कैन चूज. लाइक इवन टुडे इट्स नॉट लाइक आई गेट टू प्लान each and every meal, or I have like a special cook who cooks for me. मैं वही खाती हूँ जो घर में सबके लिए बनता है.
So it's how you plan. और घर के खाने में तो, as you said, just do a little changes in your plate, and then the same plate, just the same meal can become more protein rich and less on carbs.
Yes. And initially ना, जब आपको significant weight loss चाहिए होता है, the one thing that I followed was, and ये मैंने dietitian से ही सीखा था, club the right food groups for that day, right? So for example, अगर किसी दिन में आपने बेसन चीला खाया है ब्रेकफास्ट में, तो आप ट्राई करो कि आप लंच में भी बेसन का ही कुछ खा रहे हो, आप डिनर में भी बेसन का ही कुछ खा रहे हो. अगर एक दिन आपने पनीर खाया है तो आप इंश्योर करो आप तीनों मील्स पे पनीर ही ले रहे हो.
Mono
in any
diet
form.
kind of a thing.
Mono diet, right? So वो simplifying food groups becomes very easy on your digestive system,
Right.
and then it itself increases metabolism and helps you move in the right direction. So I think मेरा तो
Also
combination होता है
saves your
lot of things.
efforts, no?
Yes, easy हो जाता
Easy
है.
हो
एक ही
जाता है.
बारी बनाओ ना, तीनों
हाँ.
meals में खाओ.
Right. That's a good trick.
Yeah.
Nice. ठीक है, अब since we're talking about diet, as soon as you wake up,
Yeah.
what is the first thing that you take?
It varies. It varies.
Okay.
So week में at least 3 दिन I try and do intermittent fasting.
Oh, okay.
At least 3
Consecutive
days.
days or how? Alternative?
So mostly it's Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay.
I do intermittent.
Okay.
Like इसमें से एक दिन miss हो जाता है काफी बार, but
Okay.
3 दिन out of these days. Tuesday I don't do because Tuesday घर में डोसा बनता है and I love it. So आज
Okay.
जैसे for example I woke up in the morning.
Hmm.
I had my black coffee and I put ghee in it because it kind of flares your stomach and increases, it makes you feel fuller. So आपकी
Yeah.
भूख appetite कम हो जाती है थोड़ी सी. That I followed with a simple plain dosa. No
Okay.
masala.
Okay.
Just plain dosa with very
chutney and-
little chutney and a little bit of sambar. I love sambar. I can't do without it. I just
Okay.
love it. So, but I limit the size of the dosa कि मेरे हाथ में आ जाना चाहिए.
अच्छा. And
Not
how
bigger
many
than
such
this.
dosas?
One.
Just one?
One for breakfast.
Okay.
Then that gets followed by lunch. My lunch is constant on weekdays. It's a chicken salad.
It's a chicken
I don't
salad.
change it.
Oh. And nothing in between?
So if when I'm doing intermittent, at about 11 o'clock, I take nuts
Okay.
with again a glass of coffee.
Okay.
But on days when I have
You're-
breakfast, then I don't eat. I directly eat lunch.
The lunch. Okay.
टाइम भी नहीं होता मीटिंग्स में, मतलब वो पता ही नहीं चलता कि कुछ खाना भी है.
I think ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा input है that when you keep yourself busy, you keep yourself away from
yeah.
unnecessary
So मेरे
munching.
लिए ऑफिस डेज पे कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना is far easier
Yes.
compared to weekends when everything is around you and you're like slightly free and your kids are eating something and your mom is eating something and you like taste कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा खा लेती हूँ, इतनी छोटी सी बर्फी का टुकड़ा. I think that's like you have to let go of that. If you're in the weight loss zone,
Keep yourself busy
yes,
and occupied.
you can still do it when you are in the weight maintain zone once in a while. But if you are in the weight loss zone, you can't afford to. Like snacking is a crime.
Yes.
Is a crime.
And these are the calories which go unnoticed. पता भी नहीं चलता और
Yes.
बैठे-बैठे.
Yes. And even if you have to snack, just avoid sugar in any form. Good, चीनी, sugar free, हर तरह का sugar avoid करो because the intent is that your body needs to not crave it at any point of time, right? Sometimes हमें लगता है कि यार एनर्जी लो है, कुछ मीठा खा लेते हैं. You don't realize वो मीठे से एनर्जी ऐसे आके ऐसे ही ड्रॉप करती है, फिर आपको फिर लगता है क्रेव है, फिर वही लूप आ जाता है, मीठा खा लेते हैं. And that happens like 2-3 times in a day.
And it's always a sugar cycle. Once you eat
Yeah.
sugar, you crave for eating sugar
Yeah.
even more and then it never ends.
So like I was saying,
Yeah.
breakfast is a simple dosa. Lunch is constant for 5 days, which is a chicken salad. And then dinner, I eat something which is protein rich. I try and avoid carbs on weekdays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iska exception is weekends, Wednesday nights when I indulge. So if I want to have a Thai curry with rice, I will have it. But wahan pe bhi I ensure that I'm not eating naan and paranthe and stuff like that because rice is easier to digest. I think it suits me more than wheat. And then Saturday, Sunday mein se ek raat I let go. Then I will have a proper meal outside with a dessert, and that I tell myself that Ghazal, you deserve it. You deserve it. You were good. You were a good girl all through the week. Now you deserve it. So like indulge karo to guilt free karo. There is no point in being half-hearted here and there. Like just then let go and enjoy it.
Right.
Food needs to be enjoyed, yeah.
Always.
Always.
Beat a salad or a paratha.
Yeah, I love my salad. I love it because I feel that this is the right kind of vegetable dose that needs to go into my body, and then for the rest of the day I don't have to worry about is my nutrition proper or not, am I eating right or not. That one bowl takes care of it.
So when you eat your chicken salad for lunch, do you pair it with some kind of carb or it's just the salad with veggies and chicken?
So again, I usually get like one small piece of garlic bread with me, but it depends on how I'm feeling.
Okay.
So if I'm, I also take note, like if I feel full and I don't crave that bread, then I don't
You'll
eat
not
it.
eat it.
But there are days when you want something, it's it's whatever. Then I take the
Okay,
bread,
okay.
but I limit the size of it. It's like this small.
Okay.
Nothing beyond that. Don't give yourself option.
Yeah.
ऑप्शन पे लिमिट कर दो ना.
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल दाल सब्जी रोटी भी खानी है तो बता दो अपने आप को भाई सेकंड सर्विंग नहीं मिलेगी.
नहीं लेना.
डजंट मीन फर्स्ट सर्विंग को जैसे 3-4x करके ले लो. बट टेल योरसेल्फ नो सेकंड सर्विंग. दैट इटसेल्फ लाइक छोटे छोटे एक्शंस एक्चुअली help control some of these cravings so much.